Hello everyone, you are watching Invest Function and my name is Karthik. So in this video we'll see how to identify debt-free companies in share market and invest in it. We will not only see whether the company is debt-free, we will also see some other parameters like how the company's performance in terms of profit, in terms of sales growth, in terms of the market cap, whether the company is a mid-cap company or a large-cap company. We will try to avoid the small-cap companies. So we'll see several parameters before identifying a company. Basically, we'll use Stock Screener to identify the debt-free companies using these inputs like the sales growth, the profit growth and mid-cap, and we will use these several factors to filter out a company and identify whether it is a debt-free or not. So before going to see the screener, let's try to understand the basic term that is used in share market to identify whether the company is in debt or not. So debt to equity ratio is the term that is used in share market to identify whether the company is currently in debt or not. So let's say company has a total outstanding debt of 130 crore. This includes the loan that was borrowed from banks, institutions and other. The reason for calculating the debt to equity ratio for the current financial year is that there is a chance that the company could have paid back a part of the loan that was borrowed. So let's see how the debt to equity ratio is calculated. What are the inputs that we need to calculate the debt to equity ratio? So here if you see the calculation, debt to equity ratio is basically equal to the total outstanding debt of a company divided by the total equity of shareholders. So this is the value that normally we use to calculate the debt to equity ratio. Once we see it with an example, it will be very clear. So total outstanding debt is nothing but the amount of funds that company has borrowed from banks and various institutions, or the liabilities that the company owes to someone. The value is less than 1, it signifies there is no debt. When the value is 0, it means there is no debt for the company. So basically we need to filter out the companies where debt to equity ratio is equal to 0. We will see that in the screener so that you get a clear idea. So this 100 crores is the total equity value of shareholders. When we divide the total outstanding debt with the equity shareholders, we get a value called debt to equity ratio, which will be expressed in percentage terms. When this value is more than 1, it signifies the company is in a little bit higher debt. Currently in screener.in website. So this is a very good website for screening all the stocks. It's a free registration. You can log in using Google. So let's now try to select the stocks which are debt free. So at the top you have tools, right? You click on the tools. You first option click on the create a stock screen. So once you click, you will get a place to enter your query. The first query that we are going to use is debt to equity ratio. That is what we are going to use to identify the debt free companies. A debt to equity ratio should be equal to 0. So we saw that whenever there are three kinds of values, 0, 0 to 1 and greater than 1. So 0 obviously means there is no debt for the company. So first let us run this query. So before running, you see this option, so show only those companies where recent quarter result is available. So it means there will be so many companies because we need only companies that are consistently releasing results that are active. We don't want to filter out, display the companies that are inactive. So I'm going to choose this and run this query. So once you run, you see there are 325 companies out there where debt to equity ratio is 0. So this is the column that we are looking. So all the companies doesn't have debt, but if you see, there are a lot of companies with a market cap of 6 crore, which we don't want to see. So our next criteria was to filter out based on the market cap. So we will also have the current debt to equity ratio, and we will use an AND condition and use market capitalization. We'll choose greater than 5,000 crores. So we are trying to basically retrieve mid cap and large cap companies. So that is the reason I'm giving these things. Let's run this query. Now let us see. So we got 30 results found which are debt free. So let us see some of the companies here. We see Hindustan Unilever, Castrol India, Colgate Palmolive. So these, if you see the top 3 or 4 companies, all are consumer focused companies. So basically they deliver their service to us. We are the consumers. So those are companies are always number one. People who serve the consumers are number one actually. It doesn't serve any other company. So if the company stops giving the order, that's all for the other company. So here the consumer will always be there, they will consume the paste for brushing. So these are some of the companies which shows the result. In addition to further filter, we need to see how the sales is doing quarter on quarter, how the sales is performing year on year, how the dividend, whether the company is consistently giving dividends, where is the stock price when compared to 52 weeks. So we'll have so many filters. We will see one by one filters on a day by day basis, so that I don't want to push everything at a in a single video. I'll make small videos so that you get a clear understanding of how to use filters to effectively identify the stocks, basically for intraday options, so we can do for anything. So here I just gave two conditions. We can also use some more conditions to filter, like I said. We will see those in the next videos. So I hope you got a clear idea how we filter out from the 300 companies to 30 companies. So this is how we need to use the filter. You can also save your queries. If you have any specific screens that you want to apply, you can save this. You can just log in and see and let me know your feedback. If you have already used this, let me know what are the kinds of screens that you use to filter out the stock, so that everyone will get benefited. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me. The number is on the bottom. If you want to open a Demat account, I've given the link in the description of this video. You can use that link to open an account and get all the courses in our website free. So this is our website, powerpunk.com. So we have around 6 courses. Basically, if you're entering the market without strategies, a little bit risky. So these courses will definitely help you. We have 20 plus strategies, monthly income option strategy, like selling the options, expiry selling. So many are there. If you also want to get started with commodity, futures and options, so we have all these courses. You can get everything is for free. If you already have a Demat account, you can recommend this website to a friend and ask him to sign up, and you and your friend both will get these courses. So thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.